Hey guys, welcome to our house. So what we're going to do today is we're going to paint our kitchen cabinets. It's actually a wood finish before, and I wanted to paint it white just so it will look very clean and minimalist. I actually started it like a few days ago, and these are the takeaways that I need to share with you guys. If you're going to do like a painting job, you need to finish all areas per coat and don't leave a certain area before jumping to another coating. Another thing that you need to know are the tools that you will be using for you to be able to have a better finish and for you to be able to have this job done quickly. So what we have here are the things we need for painting. So first is the roller, and then a container you can put paint on, a brush, paint brush, and cleaning items you can use to remove dust before you start. A stick or anything you can use to mix paint, and of course the thinner for you to use also to remove paint from anything that you accidentally put paint on. You will be also needing a couple of paper, newspaper, or anything that you can use to cover those areas that you don't want to put paint on. So for me, I have this very nice brown paper that I covered my countertop with. And another takeaway that I wanted to share with you guys during my initial painting, of course, you need to buy a roller and a brush. The brush is for the spaces or corners that you can't really reach with these rollers. When you're going to also buy a roller, try to find this kind. There you go. Some of the rollers are furry, and this one is like, it does look like sponge. It really helps a lot because it's flexible. If you wanted to paint the corners, you can just push this and it will be painted, and the result is really good. It's flat and it doesn't really have any texture. It's really nice to have a roller like this. Okay, so try to find it. I'm not really sure what the name is. I'll try to search and put in my description just so it will be helpful for you guys. Also, what was suggested to be used as paint is this. I bought 2 liters. Well, my friend is an architect and I asked him. We used enamel paint. This paint is good for all types of weather and it's also good for wood. It's somehow waterproof, so it's really good for cabinets because of course you have like these condiments that you're gonna put. The shelves might get wet and everything, so we need like a paint that will protect our shelves. Okay, stay with me until I finish everything. Let's do it.